Okay, now I'm going to use my data to figure out the velocity in the vertical and the horizontal direction. And Excel is going to calculate this velocity for me. So first I need to start a new column, which I'm going to call horizontal velocity. I'll make it bigger. Double-clicking makes it bigger. Horizontal velocity is the change in position divided by the change in time. So I'm going to make a function. I have to use the equal sign first, which is the change in position. This position minus that position divided by the change in time. Use parentheses. This time minus that time. And now I have the velocity for that spot. If I drag this down 1, you can see that this is the change in this position and the change in these times. It's 0 because I basically had the same position. If I make it go all the way down, it goes all the way down to the bottom, and I calculated all of my change in position over change in time, my displacement over time. Those are the whole velocities, horizontally. Do the same thing with vertical velocity. That's going to be the change in vertical position divided by the change in time. Just doing this incrementally. And if I click this, it'll give me all of my vertical velocity. So, of course, now I want to make some graphs of velocity versus time. I've already made some graphs of position versus time, so really the easiest thing to do is just to copy these things. Control-C is my copy. Paste them, and, oh, that's really interesting. That didn't work how I wanted. Copy this, make it go away. Paste them, and then change the data and everything. So I'll select data now, and now instead of, this is vertical, right? So instead of having column E, the vertical position, I'm going to want column G, the vertical velocity. And it used to go from 2 to 96, but because I lose one piece of data when I do velocity, because it takes 2 positions to make one velocity, I only want to go from 3 to 96. So say OK. Then I need to change my words. Velocity versus time. This is still the time in seconds, but this is no longer the vertical position. This is now the vertical velocity in centimeters per second. If I said centimeters per 2, which is second. Those. All right, so now I have my vertical velocity. It's all sort of messy, but it's interesting.